So this means we have a long tradition in running interactive events with international experts looking on emerging technologies which are important for our society. 5G is considered to be one of the key pillars for the digital transformation of society, and nevertheless it is still not 100% clear what is 5G at the end of the day. We have a lot of expectations, hopes, promises for this technology. On the other hand, it is now time for network operators to plan how to roll out this infrastructure in the next months to prepare for the real launch of this technology. But most importantly, the biggest question is what will be the applications which will be enabled in a 5G world. We know that the notion of verticals here becomes an important aspect, and of course the question is, how will future value chains look like? Who owns the customer? Who is the customer of the future? When we all know that one of the key application domains of 5G is the industrial IoT. And this means we talk about very complex domains like manufacturing, automotive, logistics, health, energy, and so on. So this means big efforts are in place in order to understand the possibilities of 5G, but also the very specific requirements of those different vertical domains.
This is the 9th event. I think I've been there at all of them. This time it was particularly interesting to me because of this focus on 5G. It was a good opportunity to have in a short period of time, 2 days, a good overview of both research projects and also industrial views from vendors, operators. It's a good mix of research and academics and industry talks.
Well, something that I have enjoyed very much this time has been, I would say, that is, how to call it, highly concentrated diversity. In these 2 days, this opportunity of meeting people that you meet in very different environments and to share views with them in a single thread of discussions, etc., is something that is interesting and quite enriching. Most interesting things that I would say as well, the remark as well, is that we have been talking precisely about what to do with the open source in the different application environments we have in 5G networks. And well, as usual, which is the never-ending discussion that we have about what slicing and what network slicing will mean in the future.
Hi, my name is Hugo. I'm the Chief Technology and Systems Officer at OpenServe. I've really enjoyed FUSECO this year because of the wide array of different people from industry, manufacturing, other verticals. That's been a great help for us as operators, even in South Africa. I'm from South Africa and I'm talking about 5G in Africa. There we have an issue where we need to still connect a lot of people, but in addition try and grow revenues for operators, and that's why today's sessions were so important, and yesterday indeed, on understanding what other verticals are doing.
I'm Ruth Brown. I work in the applied research team at the BT Labs in Suffolk in the UK. So I work in the core network and converged services team. So I've been here today at the conference talking about the UK operator rollout plan, specifically the EE plans, about our network being launched in 2019. It's been a really interesting and interactive conference for me. I've really enjoyed meeting everyone and sort of hearing from the other operators. So yeah, great stuff.
I'm Daniel from the Camarillo project, and I'm glad that I could make it to another edition of the FUSECO Forum, and to see so much innovation that was brought here with all these test beds in front of us, and the content of the session was again what you should expect as being the tomorrow's communication systems, and yeah, another great edition. I'm looking forward to the next year.
Good afternoon, Jean-Pierre Bien-Aimé, Secretary General of the 5G Infrastructure Association, 5G PPP. It has been a pleasure to take part in this 9th FUSECO Forum 2018. That was dense, comprehensive, with many streams, many workshops, presentations, panels. Two topics were of particular importance for us. It's the verticals engagement, trials with verticals, and of course the test beds and trials where I was involved in the workshops and presentations. We also highlighted the fact that these trials and test beds have to be led on an international basis, and many other topics were covered. And this morning, particularly the presentations of the use cases, the requirements from 5G by the verticals, by the automotive, by the industry 4.0, by the energy, by the broadcast, and many use cases. So very nice conference, good networking, and till next year.